Today we are going to perform practical number 8, which is build a single lamp control by two switches. Then the application of this experiment. So it is used for staircase wiring. It refers to control of one lamp from two locations with use of two-way switches. So what is two-way switch? A two-way switch have a three terminal which are to be wired. The middle terminal is connected to the incoming supply system while the two terminals, that is upper and lower, are connected to two different circuits. So how this switch look like this is the front view will be shown, where this symbol shows upper and lower position. We may call it 1 or 2 or A and B. Now, how to look for wiring connection? The switch will have three terminals. The middle terminal is connected to the input side of phase wire, and two outgoing terminal, upper and lower, will be wired to the two circuit to control the lamp. So these are the list of apparatus which are required to conduct this experiment. First, two-way switch having 5 ampere to 30 volt capacity. Then one lamp holder which is angle or baton holder having current carrying a rating of 5 ampere. Then third, casing capping strip. So PVC material is required. Then fourth, copper wire. The length for the connection is as per the required, which is depend on the distance between the switches and lamp holder. So the size or cross section of copper wire is 1 square mm. Then one incandescent lamp having 100 watt to 30 volt, and then necessary tools. This is the connection arrangement. In that, two-way switches are used and phase connect middle terminal of first way switch. Then outgoing phase wire is connected to the second two-way switch, and then it is connected to the first terminal of lamp holder. Then the remaining terminal of two-way switches are connected parallelly, that is B1, B2 and C1, C2. Then the remaining terminal of lamp holder which is connected to the neutral. So we have to complete the connection. Then this is the truth table. Now let us see how the staircase wiring and the lamp in it operate at a different position of the switches S1 and S2. For better understanding, we draw the truth table on right side, which is having three columns. First is the position of switch S1, then second is position of switch S2, and third column gives the lamp status whether the lamp will be in on or off state. See this diagram. S1 and S2 are two-way switches, so they are having three terminals. Middle terminal of S1 will be connected to phase, while the middle terminal of S2 will be connected to lamp. Then another terminal of lamp is going to the neutral. When the switch S1 and S2 both are at position B, then the lamp will glow. Then see how the current will flow. The current will flow from phase, then it goes to the middle terminal of S1 to it will go to the B terminal, then it will go to the B terminal of switch S2 and then it will go to the lamp and then neutral. So the circuit will complete and the lamp status will be on. Then if a person is there which is standing at position of switch S2 and we can call it the upper position of staircase. Now he want to put that lamp off so that he can do he has to only switch the position of switch S2 from B to A. When it is done, S1 still at B position. Now S2 will be at A position. So the current can flow from this phase to middle terminal of S1 then B. Now B will go to B of S2, but the B and middle terminal of S2 are not connected because the now then the S1 will be at position A. S2 is already at position A, then the lamp will glow because now the current will flow from phase wire to the middle terminal of S1 to the A terminal of S1. So A and A of S2 are connected together from A terminal of S2 to middle terminal of S2. S1 to middle terminal of S2, and then it goes to the lamp holder, so the lamp will glow. So for the position of S1A and S2A, the lamp status will be on. Now when a person again reach at the upper side of staircase, he want to off the lamp, then he has to only change the position of switch S2. So the position of S1 is A and S2 is B. So the circuit will not completed. So the lamp will be in off state. So this truth table gives the lamp status on or off.
This is the setup to conduct this experiment. In that, two-way switches are used and connected in series along with this lamp holder. First one, a phase wire is connected to the middle terminal of first two-way switch, and the outgoing phase wire is radiated from a second two-way switch, and then it is connected to the lamp holder. It is connected to the first terminal of lamp holder. Then the remaining terminal of two-way switches are connected parallelly. Then the remaining terminal of lamp holder, which is connected to the neutral terminal. So we have complete this connection. Then we can take reading or check the lamp status by changing the position of switch number 1 and switch number 2. First, we can switch on the supply. So first, the position of switch 1 is A1 B1. So the position of switch 1 is upper and the position of switch 2 is B2 A2. So change the position of switch 2 A2 B2. So check the lamp condition, lamp will glow. Then in second reading, change the switch position. The position of switch 1 is A1 B1 and change the position of switch 2, that is A2 C2. So we can change the position of switch 2. So check the status of lamp, lamp will not glow. Then in third reading, we can change the position of switch 1. See, the position of switch 1 is at A1 and B1. So we can change the position of switch 1, A1 and C1. And the position of switch 2 is A2 and C2. So check the position of lamp or status of lamp, the lamp will glow. Then in third reading, we can change the position of switch 2. So the position of switch 1 is A1 and C1 and change the position of switch 2 is A2 and B2. So we can change the position A2 and B2. So see the lamp position, lamp will not glow or lamp will be in off state. So this is the experiment.
So, after taking reading or check the lamp condition, you can write in observation table. So, first reading, the position of switch 1 is A1, B1 and position of switch 2 is B2 and E2. Then the lamp status or condition is glow. Then the second reading, the position of switch 1 is A1, B1, position of switch 2 is A2, C2 and the lamp condition is not glow. Then the third reading, the position of switch 1 is A1, C1, position of switch 2 is A2, C2, then the lamp condition is glow. And the last reading, the position of switch 1 is A1, C1 and the position of switch 2 is A2, C2. Then the lamp condition will not glow. So this is the observation table. Then the conclusion. From this experiment, we conclude that with the help of circuit diagram, we can build single lamp control by two switch, also perform different types of electrical wiring activities.